the Internet Protocol Suite. TCP/IP is the de facto protocol that modern networks use. Although you can think of the TCP/IP as a single protocol, it's actually a combination of two protocols: the Transmission Control Protocol (TCP) and the Internet Protocol (IP). And these two protocols form part of the Internet Protocol Suite, IPS. So this is the Internet Protocol Suite and these diagrams. And I will explain all of these diagrams right now here. So, and this Internet Protocol Suite, this is the conceptual model of how network protocols send network traffic over the internet that breaks down network communication into 4 layers, as shown in here. So application layer, transport layer, internet layer, link layer. And Ethernet PPP is link layer, IPv4, IPv6 is internet layer, TCP and UDP is transport layer. Actually, let me add comma here. TCP and UDP is transport layer. HTTP, SMTP, DNS is, and etc. is application layer. And these protocols are more, but this is just most used protocols in Internet Protocol Suite. And these are the external connections here. So the link layer directly connects to physical network, and also physical network connects directly to link layer here. So actually, let me get this here, and here. I will apply the same for user application, right? Here, whether it is a browser or just an online game, this is works like that. So now I will explain Internet Protocol Suite. So let's get started with the link layer, this link layer here. So this layer is the lowest level and describes the physical mechanisms used to transfer information between nodes on a local network. And well-known examples include the Ethernet, both wired and wireless, and the point-to-point protocol PPP. We also have the internet layer here. So this layer provides the mechanisms for addressing network nodes, and unlike in layer 1, the nodes doesn't have to be located on a local network. This level contains the IP. On modern networks, the actual protocol used could be either IP version 4 or IP version 6. And here we also have the transport layer. So this layer is responsible for connections between clients and servers, and sometimes ensuring the correct order of packets and providing service multiplexing. And service multiplexing allows a single node to support multiple different services by assigning a different number for each service. And this number is called the port. So the TCP and user.datagram protocol operate on this layer. And we also have the application layer. So this layer contains network protocols such as the Hypertext Transport Protocol, HTTP, which transfers web page contents, and the Simple Mail Transport Protocol, SMTP, which transfers the email, and the Domain Name System Protocol, DNS here, which converts a name to a node on the network. Through this course, we will focus primarily on this layer. Actually, in this section, we will focus primarily on this layer, but in all of our course, we will learn all of these layers and protocols. So see you in next lecture.